How's it going, guys? Josh here with Trax RC, and in this video we are going to be taking out our PROBOAT SHOCKWAVE 26 RSEP. Before we put this boat out on the water, we do want to show you guys what we have recently done to it, because there are a lot of changes that we made to this boat to make it a lot more fun to drive. So the first thing we did is we put a Traxxas 2056 servo in it. I think that the servo that we had in it was just some old servo. It was like a Futaba one, I think. That was like $10 on Amazon. I don't even know if it was waterproof, but this one is, so that's why I put it in the boat. And then we were already running a Traxxas waterproof receiver box and a Traxxas TQ radio system, so that's still running in this RC. And then I also put in a Traxxas XL5 ESC right there, and then I am running the Traxxas Titan 12-turn motor, and this is water cooled, so heat hasn't really been an issue for me either. And then I am running on a Traxxas 2S LiPo battery. And I also added this little foam piece that's usually for my GoPro, but I already had one for it. So I had a second one just laying around, so I just stuck it to the top of the canopy right there. So if it does fall off, which it probably won't because this boat isn't all too fast, but if that does happen, then this will just float and I will not lose it. And if you guys are frequent viewers of the channel and you keep track of our community posts, you know that we ended up breaking this little mount right here for the rudder assembly and all that, and it just spiderweb cracked all over the place. When I took it apart, it literally fell into like 10 pieces. So I just shoe-gooed the heck out of it, and it should not break. If it does, I'd be really surprised. Now you might ask yourself, why don't you just buy a new part? Well, this boat is very old and it's discontinued, so I couldn't even find this part, like the part number for it, in the owner's manual, so that's why I had to do that. So that's all that we've done to the PROBOAT SHOCKWAVE. So now let's power it up and take it out on the water.